आवाज आ रही है?
जी मैम अब आ रही है।
अच्छा, we are going to discuss the starch hydrolysis. Is it clear to all of you?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
So, ठीक है? So just take out your journals, open the page number 85. We will start from here. Here it is the page number 85 in the journal. This is to study the hydrolysis of starch by concentrated HCl. This is your practical. What do you know about the starch? चले आप बताएं आप लोग.
मैम स्टार्च एक पॉलीसेकेराइड है।
Yes, it is the polysaccharide. It is the polymer of which monosaccharide unit?
ग्लूकोज मैम।
Glucose.
Yes, it is the, and what is the linkage present here?
मैम अल्फा 1,4 प्रेजेंट होता है, लेकिन अगर ब्रांचिंग हो जाए तो 1,6 आ जाता है।
Okay, so here it is the starch is of two types. It is amylose, amylopectin. One is the straight chain, other one contains branching. Branching point is 1,6, alpha 1,6, and other straight chain has the alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage. And starch can be hydrolyzed by two ways, that is the concentrated HCl and enzyme amylase. Enzyme amylase, when we say the amylase, we know that it digests the carbohydrates. And it is where it is present amylase in our body?
मैम सलाइवरी ग्लैंड्स में सिक्रीशंस में रिलीज होता है।
जी, where the amylase is present?
मैम सलाइवरी
In saliva and pancreatic juice. So carbohydrate digestion starts from the mouth. Enzyme amylase will hydrolyze, it will break down the starch. And then here it is of two types, alpha amylase that is present in saliva and pancreatic juice, whereas beta amylase, it is found in plants. For this practical, we will need only 1% starch paste. The things required or reagents required are 1% starch paste, then the iodine solution, third one is concentrated HCl, and next is the Benedict's qualitative reagent. There are four things that are required. 1% starch paste, 1% starch paste, concentrated HCl, because we are going to perform the acid hydrolysis of starch. We are going to perform acid hydrolysis of starch, so concentrated HCl will be required. Next is the iodine solution and Benedict's qualitative test. These two tests will be performed time to time to confirm the presence of different stages of starch. These two tests, their iodine test and Benedict's qualitative test, these two tests will be performed time to time to confirm different stages of starch hydrolysis. So we will start from the preparation of 1% starch paste.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Preparation, जी बेटे।
मैम जो लास्ट पॉइंट आपने रिपीट किया था बेनेडिक्ट और हाइड्रोजन सॉल्यूशन का, मैम ये वापस बोल दें प्लीज।
ये बेटे अभी आपको भी 10 दफा इसे नेक्स्ट अभी मैंने एक्सप्लेन ही करते रहना है, ठीक है? You will come to know about these things, that we are going to perform iodine test and Benedict's qualitative test. These two tests are the confirmatory tests for the different stages of starch. different stages of starch hydrolysis. When you are going to starch, time to time you will get different stages, and these will confirmed by these two tests, that is the iodine test and the Benedict's qualitative test. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See?
Thank you.
Okay, so now we are going to start with the preparation of 1% starch paste. आप में से किसी ने कल्फ आपके पास कभी आजकल nowadays is the summer season, कल्फ लगाई है कपड़ों को जी बेटे? कभी कल्फ लगाई है या आप लोगों ने कभी बनाते देखा है कल्फ लगाते हुए?
वो क्या है मैम?
कैसे लगाते हैं
मैम? उसको गर्म करते हैं और फिर पानी में।
जी, पानी को गर्म करते हैं और क्या करते हैं?
और मैम उसको भिगो देते हैं कपड़ों को उसके अंदर।
वो कपड़ों को बाद में बताएं, मुझे स्टार्च में तो पेस्ट पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि यू हैव सम आइडिया ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग दिस स्टार्च। कपड़े तो बाद में आएंगे, पहले स्टार्च बनेगी. सो यू आर गोइंग टू prepare this starch solution. So you have some idea? Can you prepare this starch yourself? Yes or no?
No. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, आप बता दें.
चले, no मैम, कोई बात. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. वी आर, अगर आपने नहीं भी बनी, किसी ने आपने देखी है घर में बनते हुए स्टार्च?
मैम जो व्हाइटिश कलर की होती है, मिल्की व्हाइटिश.
हाँ जी. और आपको कभी घर में और कोई इंसिडेंस आप हुआ है कभी आपने स्टार्च और किसी फॉर्म में? कल वाले बैच ने मुझे और भी ज्यादा एक्सप्लेन किया था, बताएं जरा जल्दी से. और भी किसी तरह से आपने देखी है स्टार्च?
मैम जो वो हम चावल पकाते हैं ना, तो उसके ऊपर जो व्हाइटिश आता है.
हाँ जी, जो चावल पकाते हैं, और चावल इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रेन दैट बॉइल्ड राइस, यू विल गेट स्टार्च फ्रॉम देयर. इज इट?
और मैम जो पोटैटो होती है ना, उसका जो व्हाइटिश जब पानी सा थोड़ा सा निकलता है ना, वो भी.
ठीक है. सो दिस इज ऑल द स्टार्च यू हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड at home. So we are going to prepare it in the lab. So when you are going to prepare it in the lab, what is the difference? Here it is the difference that you are going to measure the quantities. You are going to measure the water as well as the quantity of starch powder. You are going to measure. So you will have to first note what are the quantities. If you are going to prepare 1% starch paste, what does it mean? It means you are going to dissolve 1 gram of starch. 1 gram of starch per 100 ml of solution. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are going to prepare 1% starch paste. That means you are going to dissolve 1 gram of starch. That is the powdered form. So if you are going to dissolve this powdered form, first step will be the weighing of the 1 gram starch. 1 gram. And it will be done by the weighing scale. You will use the weighing scale to note that quantity, to get the quantity of 1 gram starch. So what is going on here? You will take 75 ml of water, 75 ml of water, and boil it. 75 ml of water and boil it. Then you will take 1 gram of starch that has been pre-weighed. You have already weighed that quantity, that is the 1 gram of starch powder. It will be in the white powder form. White powder form. You will take the 1 gram starch. You have boiled 75 ml of water. Boiled. This starch that is solid, you will add it into 10 ml of cold water. 10 ml of cold water. And when you have dissolved this starch powder in the cold water, this cold water that